We'll guide you through how to create a custom route on Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Maps, and so what you want to do is go and create a custom route. This is convenient to be able to do because by default, Google Maps goes and gives you the most direct way, which is usually what you want. But perhaps you want to go along a certain road or go via somewhere else. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. What you can do is come to the bottom right of Maps and you can go and press on the directions button like so. At the moment, mine's set to your location, but you could start somewhere else, but we'll do your location and then press choose destination and choose where you ultimately want to end up. Now you can go and see here, it's giving me the fastest way. At the bottom, you can choose the transport method as well. Now, what you need to do is you can go and look here and you can go and decide what way you want to go via or where you want to sort of have the route to. Then go to the top right and press the three dots and you can press edit stops. Now, what you want to do is go and add a stop in, which is going to go and involve the route you want to take. So I want to go down the A1. The moment it's taking me down this other road here. So what we then need to do is we're going to go and add in a place, which is then going to go and take us there. So for example, you've got Grantham. So you can press add stop, go and type in Grantham, tap it, just give it a moment. Now it's going to add it as an extra route. So if you tap the three lines or tap and hold the three lines, you can then drag it up. And you can then go and press done if you want to. And at the moment it started down the A1, but it's still taking me down the M11. I want to go all the way down the A1. So I then need to add in another place. So I could go and add in Hitchin, let's say. So I'll go and tap add stop, type in Hitchin, tap that there. I'll then need to go and change the order of it again at the top. So tap and hold those three lines and drag it up. And there we go. So then I get to go down the A1 as I want to, and I can press done.